Life comes to you quick, releases come to you quicker. It's time for the May 2026 release enablement here at Quickbase. The new Get Apps for User API allows admins to retrieve all apps that a specific user can access within the account, including metadata like last access and app manager. In application lifecycle management, we have introduced built-in environmental parameters to help you manage environment-specific settings with more control and consistency. For each environment, you can now define and adjust key properties, including app names and pipeline names, branding and configuration details, pipeline connections to external systems. These systems-defined parameters are pre-populated with suggested values that can be revived and edited at 3 points, either during environment creation, during deployment, or from the environment parameters page. Previously, when embedding a report on a form or dashboard, it was not clear in the report picker dropdown which report was currently selected and which table the reports were associated with. To address this, the current report selections are now highlighted and the table name is shown at the top of the dropdown. This is valid for report widgets for forms and dashboards. New default to be aware of: grid reports with row groups now open all groups expanded by default instead of collapsed. Builders can change this in the report settings. One of the easiest to miss but most impactful updates we can do is we now have better performance across reports. Anytime there is a is equal to filter in the report, or a report with a calculated column is copied, that work is going to be done faster, most notably in large datasets. We've updated the code page editor to improve how you write and manage your custom code in the app. There's now syntax checking for JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JSON, and XML. You no longer have to copy things out of Notepad++ and paste it into the editor. You still can, but you don't have to. Speaking of copying and pasting into Quickbase, we've improved the reliability of copying and pasting from a Word doc into rich text on forms. This update helps improve consistency and formatting retention. Now on to the next topic before Clippy comes back. Account admins can see turned off status in the AI controls page. This indicates if John Connor, the Realm admin, has explicitly disabled a specific AI capability. The new download button on the activity log page lets you export all the currently loaded pipeline's activity entries as a .json line file with full details, including all nested data. To make it easy to identify and organize, the file name automatically reflects your active filters. Pipelines now assigns each step a stable reference ID that stays the same even when you reorder or insert steps. This helps you build and maintain your pipelines with confidence, knowing your references remain intact. Change expressions remain valid and activity logs remain accurate across full history of a pipeline. A step number will reflect the step's current position in the pipeline, making it easy to navigate the structure and follow the execution flow at a glance. You can see both the stable reference ID and the step number in the pipeline builder, quick reference widget, and activity logs. There are even more updates this month, so if you want to check the full detail on everything, please check out our Release Notes app, link in the description. John from Technical Support did a great job making it. I just look over his shoulder and steal content. That's all for this month's Release Enablement. Tune in next month to see if I say the secret phrase, which is literally... That's all for this month's Release Enablement. Tune in next month to see if I say the secret phrase, which is literally... That's all for this month's Release Enablement. Tune in next month to see if I say the secret phrase, which is literally... QB out.